41, Tao Te Ching. This is fairly long. Let's see. I think it's actually not difficult to get the meaning of it. I just glanced through it. First line, when the superior man hears of the Tao, he immediately begins to embody it. Because he's with Tao in the state of being, no mind, no self, nature's way. So when you hear someone pointing something about the Tao, you can relate to that. So there's a resonance. That's what it means. That's what I think. When an average man hears of the Tao, he half believes it, half doubts it. Because the average man can postulate, picture what Tao can be, but not embodying it, so just in the thinking. So that means he's half believing it and he's not sure, so half doubts it. When a foolish man hears of the Tao, he laughs out loud because Tao of nature's way doesn't mean anything. It's gibberish. So he stays in his mind. He doesn't know if he's deluded or what's going on, because he's off from the heart, the root of being, which is Tao, the nature's way. If he didn't laugh, that's a foolish man, it wouldn't be the Tao. The Tao is seen as a symbol or something to characterize. So just like reading the soul, Tao Te Ching may look like this is crazy, not saying anything, because the understanding or realization of what Tao is missing. So I'll continue. Thus it is said, the path into the light seems dark, the path forward seems to go back. The direct path seems long, true power seems weak, true purity seems tarnished. So let's just finish those 5. And there's another 5 after this. Path into the light seems dark. Obvious is not obvious. The path forward seems to go back, because it's counterintuitive. The direct path seems long, because he doesn't comprehend. There's no resonance. It's foreign, so it looks far away. True power seems weak, because like the other one on the 40, Tao is like a wheel yielding. What was the word? Yielding is the way of the Tao. So yielding is not the power. So the true power seems weak. It's like Aikido. You don't see it, you don't feel it, but that's the true power. Okay, here's another one. True purity seems tarnished. That's the same. It's like decoration, window shopping. Looks nice. But it's like a fake. King doesn't have clothes on it, kind of thing. You decorate, you're decorating what is truly you to cover up. So if that's the way, the purity of who you are doesn't look like what you can find in the, those magazines, flashy things. And so you have to chase for the diamond. But you are the diamond. But it doesn't recognize like that. It's a miracle of our existence cannot be felt. So you have to keep seeking and so forth. True steadfastness seems changeable. Now this is good one. It's a paradoxical. Steadfastness is like a joriki, meditation, zazen. There's a continuity is power, repetition is power. But for, I don't know if I should say stupid people, for those who doesn't understand this, steadfastness seems changeable. Steady power is not, or joriki doesn't seem to be steady. So they get bored, can't stand, can't sit. But there is a power hidden in the state of being. Because that's the power, you can call it Tao, the nature's way brought you there, or whatever is manifesting. True clarity seems obscure, yet again it's the opposite. It's like if we have cover, the curtain in our eyes, we cannot see things straight. So that with that eyes, you cannot clearly see what it is. Looks obscure. If your full body is all eyes, all body is eyes, then it's not like if you are unaware, it doesn't detect that your whole body is eyes, all the cells are bouncing around. So, what was it? The true quality seems obscure. The greatest seems unsophisticated. Greatest seems unsophisticated. It's like ordinarily it's not sophisticated. So you look for diamond, something shiny, firework, not steadfast. It's right in front of you. So you're not interested. The greatest love seems indifferent. This is interesting. Because if you really see through everything, what is greatest love? You don't take things for granted, anything. So you feel close to the cat, noise, bird, ants, things around. So it seems common, but they are all hidden diamond. It's a miracle. You can call that you are in Nirvana or the Garden of Eden. all the creation of the nature is happening all the time. And destruction is a way of creation. You are always at home. The greatest wisdom seems childish. You want something different. You want something, you get it instantly. You want to feel it. There's you. But if there's no you, that's when you see the reality of what is as it is. The miracle of nature. The greatest wisdom seems childish. Yeah, that's the one. The last two sentences. The Tao is nowhere to be found. It's like the heart, you cannot see it. I think that was Saint-Exupéry, something about you cannot see. What's that? True something you cannot see with eyes. The same thing. I forgot what that truth. I think you know what I'm talking about. It's a very famous quote. What is truly important is invisible to the eyes or something like that. That's what it is. So it's the Tao is nowhere to be found. It's kind of like that. Yet it nourishes and completes all things, of course. Nowhere to be found because it's the laws of nature. It's always there. All the happening is direct result of it, as it is. So expect and expect it. That's Tao to be found. It's the nature's way. It's very simple. We are the result of that and the being alive because of that. Isn't it wonderful? And you can laugh at it. And he said, when the foolish man hears of the Tao, he laughs out loud. It's kind of like that. Okay, that's enough. That was chapter 41. Good night.